Steamed salmon with aromatics. Okay, Jax, this is just for you. Here I have the cilantro. I've got some jalapenos and some red bell peppers. I didn't actually have any fresno, the red fresno, or the Thai chili peppers. That's some ginger, which I've actually sliced and I've kind of smashed it a little bit. That is the tops of the green onions, and here are the bottoms, the whites of the green onions. And I use the handle of the knife to kind of bruise them up. I've got, that had 1 clove of garlic, kind of medium-sized clove of garlic. And what I did was I rubbed some on the bottom of the plate. And to set the fish up, I'm going to put my ginger all over and then set the fish on it. Here's the salmon. I actually took the skin off. And on there, I have some thin or light soy sauce. I have some white pepper. And really, when I say a sprinkling of salt on either side, that is it. I'm going to be using sesame oil and soy sauce when I steam. So once I've set the plate up, I'll show you what that all looks like. And this is my steaming gizmo today, because this actually, everything actually fits in there today. Because I'm going to be using, I don't know what this is, a breakfast plate. And so I've got one of these gizmos and it'll fit in here and he'll steam away nicely. So when I put that all together, I'll show you. I'm going to pop this in the fridge, let it marinate, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, whatever time. Whatever time I decide to get dinner done. But right now, that's it. And also you're gonna need some cooking oil. I use high temp oil, I use avocado oil. So I'm gonna use that so that I can do the sizzle at the end. So I put the salmon that's been marinating on top of the garlic and the onions. And I'm going to put the rest of the ginger, just sprinkle it over the top. Just put it over the top. Because it's all about creating the steam, which will create aromatics, and the onions on top. And the rest of, I need to change hands actually. And the rest of the garlic on top, right? And once that's all spread out, okay, here's the salmon sitting on the bed of aromatics, ginger, spring onions, and garlic, ready to be steamed. Okay, so one of the things you do is bring this to a boil. Actually, I've got a little bit too much water in it because the dish is going to touch the bottom of it, but hey ho, what can I tell you? Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to put it into, let it steam. Okay, oh, I'm almost out. We're going to add our, maybe a couple of tablespoons, 1, 2, yeah, maybe about 3 tablespoons. Actually, that's a bit excessive, really. You know, a couple of tablespoons. Put the lid on and let it steam. Put the lid on and let it steam for about, we're gonna let it steam for about 7 minutes or so. Yeah. And when that's done, we will be back. All right. So here's the fish. It's done. It smells nice and aromatic, and you can see how much gravy it has made. Here I have the oil heating up, and I need that to be just about smoking. So I'm gonna put some of the bell peppers in here and the jalapenos. like that. And these are all the onions and the green aromatics that I had. And we're going to, actually I'm going to top it with the cilantro, to be honest with you. And once that is done, I'm going to top it with the cilantro. That's the cilantro. All right, it's nice and topped. And like I said, the oil needs to be just smoking, which it is. And you take the oil and you just hear that sizzle. You pour it all over the aromatics. There you go. And that's it. Done, 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 done. Done, done. And that's it. You've got a nice little gravy in there. Got to take care when you take it out, but you've got a nice little gravy in there. And that's it, Jax, in a nutshell. Bon appetit. I'm going to eat this deliciousness on a plate.